It's William, it's the Riverstone Life, and you know what we're going to do today? We're going to do a review. We're going to do a review on a diesel heater, and yes, that's what's in this box is a diesel heater. We're going to get it unboxed. We're going to get some diesel put in it. We're going to see if this thing works, right? Let's just see what let's get this right. We'll just let my phone say it so it gets it correctly. Listen to this.
Reads HCalory. H is the initial for heater, and calorie is a unit of heat.
See, it's a unit of heat. It's called an HCalory. Couldn't get that any better than that, right? So let's get this thing unboxed. Let's see what we got. HCalory sent us this heater out. We're not being paid for this, but they did send us the heater for free. Just got to throw that in there. But let's see what, let's just see what's in here. I've never messed with one of these, but you know what? I think it'd be nice to have. And, sometimes in a review, you're doing it. You never know how things are going to work out. If you hear the dog barking in the background, I'm in a new place now. So until they get familiar with me and what I do, we might have to hear that. But we got this microphone right here to make this better. So let's get this thing unboxed and see what we got. Isn't it fun when you unbox something, you don't even know what you're doing? I have no idea what's in here. I have no idea how it works. I have nothing. So you're going to get the real review, not the rehearsed one or the fake one, what I actually think of this. I'm assuming this is a box full of the parts for it. Oh, it looks like it's not too hard to come out of here. Look at that. Oh, we can set it on the box. We'll use this as our display. Big manual with it, so shouldn't be a problem there. Well, it looks pretty simple. Doesn't look like a whole lot there. You've got the control panel up front here, your plug-in. You can pop the side here, open it up and see what we got in here. So I know originally they made this model before where the tank was on the outside, and they listened to the people is what I've been told, and the people said, could you get that put inside? And yes. I like the way that's out of the way. You can still still put your fuel right here from the top. So that's nice. Let's see what we got, because I am new to this heater. So it looks like you put your vent hose. Let's get this. Your vent hose goes right there, so you can set this thing outside, and you can, push it into a vehicle or into a little compartment or wherever you need to go with it. This hose is fairly long. Let's see what we got here. I'm sure you could always purchase a longer one if you're gonna have it farther, but I have an air conditioner that's similar to this, where you gotta, pipe the cool air in or get the old air out. So that goes on there, and it comes with the clamps and everything for that. It also looks like it has a muffler system too. So if you're trying to get the exhaust sound down, or you're gonna try to pipe it from a different area, you've got the whole exhaust system there. Little bracket. It looks like this little hose right here goes on there, and then you put your little muffler on here, I'm assuming. Let's see what we got. Yep, muffler goes on there. This kicks on there. Sure, there's plenty of different ways you're going to want to put this on here at different angles, but yes, it goes on there. So I'm assuming however you want to pipe that out somewhere. Hopefully you can see that. I mean, you could probably clamp it and put it like that, and then turn your hose like this, yeah. Or just, maybe you're trying to get the sound away from the area that you're at. So I think that's really cool. So let's just pull it back off. I don't need that right there. I'm actually gonna run it with that off first to see how loud it really is. So that's what we got there. It looks like has all the hoses, clamps, and everything for all those parts that I just showed you. It has the little fuel filter that you can drop down in the tank. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing there. Tilt it up that way. There it is, pops right down in there like that. We'll put that in there. We'll go get our fuel here in a little bit. Has another little exhaust hose that goes on here like that. Oh, and it does come with a vent, so you could actually stick the vent like that. Hopefully you're getting all the ideas. If you want to stick it like in your tent or something, if you're out tent camping, it would be great for that. Set outside. You could probably put it down on the, even if you have, I used to have a tent that went in the back of my truck. This would set great on the tailgate, and then I could just pipe it into the tent. Keep yourself warm. So, looks like they can send you everything. They got all the hose clamps and everything you need for the smaller ones. The bigger hose clamps are right there. Let's see what else we got in here. There's the trunk. We'll get this thing. I don't know if it has to run on power the whole time, or if it might just need to be plugged in all the time. So you probably need yourself a little solar generator or something like that that you could run off from there, or plug it into your vehicle. It also has a hardwire system for 12 volt. Okay, there's there's what you can do right there. You can hardwire this or hook it to a battery and then plug it right in there. So it's running off 12 volts is what it is. This is taking your 120 and breaking it down to 12 volts. So this would probably be the best route on some of your things. You could wire this into somewhere and then hook that in there. So this is probably what I would use more. And, oh, this must go for on here. So this must be like the intake where it brings in the fresh air like that. Let's show you here. This goes on there like that. And it has a bracket here. It has a bracket that you can mount on here and hold it into place. So we'll get that mounted on and we'll have that. But other than that, it looks fairly simple. Let's take a look at the manual once and see if there's anything that pops out. Pretty much shows it for every kind of, pretty much use it for whatever you want to use it for. Just make sure that you don't put this whole unit inside your tent, kick this thing on, and you know, the fumes will kill you. So remember stuff like that. You have the other hose so you can bring the warm air in and you keep the bad air out. So just, I'm pretty sure people know that, but I would feel bad if somebody knew went out and just got this heater and didn't really think about that. But let's see, anything that's popping out on here. Try to, looks like you might even have an app for your phone is what I just saw here. Yes, let's see what it's got. It's got Bluetooth app operation, so you can download the app from either Android or iOS, and I'll get that done too, and we'll get that set up. We'll get this thing plugged in, we'll get it going, and we'll see if we get some heat, right? And we'll be right back. Can you hear it? I mean, we put fuel in it, I powered it on, I connected it to the app. There's the app right there, you can control everything, it connected right away. It was simple, really, everything was simple, I mean, this is how loud it is with no exhaust on it. So you can still hear that dog barking in the background, right? So, the heat's getting hot. So you can put this on here and hopefully you can see it in the video, but yeah, super hot. I got it cranked all the way up. So let's let it run for a few seconds and see. I'll walk around here with the camera a little bit. It's heating up. HH10 is what I got it, so you can turn it down, 10. The 10 that's as high as it goes. So that's as loud as it's gonna be. It's not, I mean, I walk over here, kind of, if I'm walking it away from everything, gives you the idea how loud it is. You can see me over here, probably hear my voice real good. As I walk and get up closer to it, you can see. It's cool that you can control it from your phone. Puts out nice, it's really, really hot. I mean, I'm impressed. So we'll bring this down here, kind of give you a better view of it. See if we can get you in that. Not all of my head in that picture. Right here. And you can put that on there. That's hot. It wants to. melt it to it probably. But whew, yeah, this thing will heat up anything you need to. And it's not that loud, and I got no exhaust on it, so I don't know if the exhaust will make it quieter, or maybe, yeah, it does. Okay, look at the difference. Let's see if we can get it in the camera here. There it is there. So you could pipe it out somewhere else. It cut the sound less than half. Big difference, big difference. I'll walk up real close to it. And watch when I walk away now. Let's get the camera back up here, and then I'll walk away a little ways. Major difference. Setting over here, it sounds like a fan running. Just a light fan, like a box fan, or even quieter than a box fan with that exhaust on there. Yeah, I like this product. I think they did a really nice job. It's so compact. It reminds me of a little suitcase. I don't want it to melt my table. Let's just see what we got, because I don't feel like burning my hand. Yeah, it gets kind of warm, so we'll put that underneath there. There. Look at that. It's just cranking out the heat. Take that and blow that way. We'll blow the heat this way. Okay. You're sitting out there. If you can see me here, I got the heat blowing on me. You really don't need heat because I'm in Florida right now, and it's 70 degrees anyways, but this thing is pumping out the heat. So, you know, I'm going to use it in some of my little adventures and stuff like that and give it a try. You know, Robin will put everything down in the description below. There'll be a link in there to take you to it. I think it retails for less than $220. It ranges from $199 to $220 depending on the time of the year, depending on what sales are out there. It's a nice little product. You've seen how easy I unboxed it. I've never even looked at the manual. All I did was punch in that name, and it showed the app, and I downloaded the app. I went over there, hit connect, and it searched for it, found it. I tapped on it, it was right there. I put the diesel fuel in it, I plugged it in, and I turned it on, and I hit it to high heat, and it started out, it was quiet and cold. You could tell that it was pumping fuel or doing whatever it was doing. No choke, no nothing. I didn't do anything. And you could hear when it finally kicked on the heating motor and how the sound got twice as loud. And then it started putting out hot air. And you've seen how loud it was, because that's how I did it. And now the muffler's on here. I think you can tell the difference in my voice and everything, but you also got, this is really pumping out the heat. And it's loud. I'll bring the mic up to it, see if you get, it's loud. I mean, so I would think the heat being pushed out of it now is louder than the exhaust. So pretty cool, pretty cool. So let me know in the comments if you ever used any of their products before. It's our first time, but I've never had something connect, ignite, and work so simple. So I think this is going to be a great product, and we wanted to show it to you. And let me know what you think, and if you can give it a thumbs up, if you can leave a comment, if you can subscribe, if you can go up in the corner and hit that bell notification so you get notified for all my reviews and my videos. I have new reviews coming out that are going to be giveaways again. The companies that are reaching out to me, I am asking them to send me 2 products now. So if you come across this video and you're thinking about having the Riverstone Life do a review, if you can send 2 products, one that I can do a giveaway with, we'll pay the shipping on it. The Riverstone Life will pay the shipping on it, and we will give it away to one of our viewers, because I think it pushes the video out 5 times as much. So I think the manufacturer benefits, I think our channel benefits, and I think somebody out there should always benefit. So let me know what you think, and you know how William always ends his videos. Always.